everyone, Devin with OBS Solutions. Let's talk about Ford door panels. Preferably crew cab door panels that have the switch area starting to come off. So let's talk about what causes this panel to break apart. It's the actual Ford rivets that start breaking away that happen, or the actual panel cracks. Also, our new bracket, if your tabs are broken off, our bracket works as well to retain that switch bezel. So here are the two brackets that repair that lovely broken panel that you have. This is easy. You can do it in your driveway. So how it works is move the jute back. I just found out it's called jute, by the way. Line that guy up. We then mark the holes. There's our inner bracket with the holes drilled and the two bolts going through it. There be the outer bracket with the two tabs for your window switch to bolt to. What's awesome about this is it's laser cut, formed using stainless steel hardware to retain everything. After it's all bolted together, you'll notice that the U-nuts on your factory tabs are missing. You place them underneath on the actual bracket itself. That way, if your tabs are broken off, you can still use this bracket to retain your window switch. Door panel's on, we're all back together, blah, blah, blah. Here's what we got. But check this out. I'm gonna show you a door panel with both those tabs broken off. Hold please. All right, so we've already installed this bracket on this panel. Now I'm gonna tell you, I broke the tabs off this panel on purpose, just to show people that this bracket works with the missing tabs. So if your panel has the tabs that break off, which happens a lot, this will actually still work to hold your window switch bezel.